Hi children, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to study a new topic from the lesson number 6, division. The topic is division as repeated subtraction. Here I have written one question, that is 20 divided by 4. We are going to divide 20 by 4. We are going to do this calculation by repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction method, we are going to find out the answer. Write 20 here and 4 below that. Now we are going to subtract 4 from 20. When we subtract 4 from 20, we will get 16. Okay? One time we subtracted 4. Again we are going to subtract this 4 from 16. And we got the answer 12. 2 times we completed the subtraction of 4. Again we are going to subtract 4 from 12. And the answer is 8. That means we completed the subtraction 3 times. The 4th time also we are going to subtract 4 from 8. And we got the answer 4. And finally we are going to subtract 4 from 4 and the answer is 0. So in 20 there are 4. How many 4s are there? Can you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4s are there. 1 time is subtracted, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times we subtracted 4 from 20. Finally we got 0 here. That means in 20 there are 5 4s. So the answer we are getting 5. In 20 there are 5 4s. By repeated subtraction we can find out the answer. Second question is 40 divided by 10. Here we are going to subtract 10 from 40 repeatedly. 40 minus 10. The answer is 30. One time we completed the subtraction of 10 from 40. Second time we are going to subtract 10 from 30. The answer we are getting 20 here. Again we are going to subtract 10 from 20 and the answer is 10. And finally we are going to subtract 10 from 10 and we got the answer 0. Here we subtracted 10 from 40 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times we subtracted 10 from 40. So the answer is 4. That means in 40 there are 4 tens. Here we are getting the answer 4. In 40 there are 4 tens. Okay. Here I have given one more example. 18 divided by 3. We are going to subtract 18 by 3. 18 divided by 3. The answer is 15. Again we are going to subtract 15 by 3. And the answer we are getting here 12. We completed 2 times subtraction. 12 minus 3, we are getting 9 answer. Here we completed the subtraction 3 times. Again we are going to subtract 3 from 9 and the answer is 6. 6 minus 3, we are getting 3. 3 minus 3, we are getting the answer here 0. Now, when we subtracted 3 from 18, 6 times, we got the answer 0 here. Finally, we got here 0. That means in 18, there are 3 6 times coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We subtracted 3 from 18 6 times and we got the answer here 0. So the answer is 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. After subtracted 3 from 18 repeatedly, we got the answer 6. So we can say division is simply a repeated subtraction. Okay. Here we are studying the topic division, and in division we are getting the answer by repeated subtraction here. That means division is simply a repeated subtraction. Okay. Here I have given some homework. Heading is divide using repeated subtraction. Question is 15 divided by 3, 30 divided by 5, 60 divided by 10 and 8 divided by 2. These are the questions. These 4 questions you solve in your rough notebook and in your textbook, page number 93. Do in the textbook itself. Okay. These 4 calculation you do in your rough notebook and in textbook, page number 93 complete. Okay. Bye.